You probably heard of pay-per-mile car insurance, but did you realize that you're giving up a lot of your privacy and data in exchange for those policies? Is it worth giving up your data to get a better deal on car insurance? Pay-per-mile car insurance is a type of usage-based auto insurance, which uses something called telematic technology to track your driving behavior. You can either download a mobile app to your phone or plug in a device that goes right into your car's diagnostic port to give your insurance company the data it needs to price your rates. The plug-in device or mobile app is going to track things like hard braking, speeding. If you've got the mobile app on your phone, it's going to look at how often you pick up your phone, late night driving, and other behaviors that might be considered bad driving behaviors. The mobile app that you download to your phone from your insurance company is going to track all of the things that your smartphone is already tracking, including location, the time and day, how fast the phone is moving. And the plug-in device in your car's diagnostic port is also going to track your location data. So wherever your car is going, your insurance company is going to know that as well. Telematics is a technology that powers pay-per-mile car insurance, but it can also be used in a variety of other ways as well. For example, a car insurance company could offer a customized discount for practicing good driving behaviors, which they track through a mobile app on your phone. Or companies like Root Insurance can create an entire customized rate based off of your driving behavior. You download the mobile app to your phone, you're tracked for a certain amount of time, and then your customized rate is given to you based off of how well or how poorly you drive. I actually personally tried out a telematics program just to try to get a discount on my car insurance. And for a while, I didn't even notice that it was on my phone. But I think I might have gone out of range or lost service. And then all of a sudden, I had a pop-up on my phone saying, hey, make sure you log into this app so that it's tracking you. Otherwise, you're gonna lose this discount on your car insurance. And I kind of realized in that moment, wow, I've given up so much of my own privacy just to get a discount on my car insurance. And in the end, the discount wasn't even that great. I might have been able to get a better discount somewhere else. So it's something to think about, the amount of privacy that you're giving up just for these programs and how much you could potentially save. In the marketing materials for some of these pay-per-mile car insurance companies, they say that if you drive less than 8,000 to 10,000 miles per year, you might want to do the math to see if a pay-per-mile insurance policy could be cheaper for you than a standard policy. According to our analysis, the average cost of full coverage car insurance is around $133 a month. And the average cost of minimum car insurance is actually even cheaper at $47 per month. Pay-per-mile insurance is really going to be good for somebody that doesn't drive very much over the long term. That's someone that works from home and doesn't have a commute, or perhaps they live in the city and they use public transportation or alternative transportation, or maybe someone that's away at college. According to the US Department of Transportation's Federal Highway Administration, Americans drive on average around 13,500 miles per year. Let's look at how much pay-per-mile car insurance would cost with that mileage. A pay-per-mile insurance policy is priced with a base rate, which stays the same every month, and then a per-mile rate, which fluctuates depending on how many miles you drive that month. So the base rate is $60 per month, plus the monthly mileage, which comes out to $112.50. So the monthly payment would be $172.50. The base rate for a pay-per-mile insurance policy is going to be calculated the same way as a standard car insurance quote. So the company's going to look at things like your gender, your age, and the type of car that you drive. It's difficult to know just how much you're going to pay for a pay-per-mile insurance policy because everyone's base rate is going to be different. It depends on the type of coverage you get, whether you get full coverage with comprehensive and collision coverage, or you just purchase the minimum amount of car insurance required in your state. The best way to really know is by doing the math yourself. So if you pull quotes from multiple pay-per-mile insurers and then look at the base mile rate, you might be able to come up with a rough estimate of how much you'll spend per month. But again, it's going to be different for everybody based on the coverage you buy, the type of driver you are. It's really hard to say how much you're going to spend. If you've done the math and a pay-per-mile car insurance policy really is the cheapest option for you, just be sure you understand what you're signing up for. Read the fine print of your policy. Know the data that's being collected. I personally offered up my own data and nothing bad happened to me, but it's all about your own comfort level. Make a decision that's best for your personal financial situation and do what's best for you. Hi, my name is Ben Moore and I'm an insurance writer at NerdWallet. Interesting fact about me, I switch auto insurance every year to get the cheapest rate. If you learned something today, click like and hit subscribe.